Background peeps, Farmer Campbell out here looking at our okra. They're looking mighty fine. Okra looking good. They're bearing already. So what we do is we're going to bear these and pick them every other day. While our other okra, because I have a hotel, 2 hotels that want me to supply them. I told them February. So I'm trying to get my okra trees up. Okra, they call it out here in Jamaica. Okra, not okra. Okra. And over here is the trees that would take its place. I planted the other day. And then we're going to move the sweet potatoes, pick them and move them over there. And then plant some more okra. So I have okra coming all the way through. All through the year. Yeah, man, they're looking pretty. Blossom nice and green and pretty. Yes, man. And so we're going to then move the rest of the sweet potatoes, which are over there after we plant our okra. And then plant some corn. Corn is paying $9